Now, if you're thinking of bringing a shrub that's low maintenance, that you can grow as a big shrub or even as hedging, that produces a lot of colour at the beginning of the year, well, Forsythia is the plant for you. Here's one in my garden. Look at this here. Beautiful flowers that appear on the plant before even the leaves do. So it looks much more golden. The secret with this plant, of course, is it only flowers on current season's growth. So the new growth that comes up is where you get the flowers. So if you prune it during the winter, you're cutting the flowers out. It's always best to wait for it to finish flowering, then prune it, and then the eruption of growth that comes from that will be your flowers for the following year. But if you want a big bush that's low maintenance, that's quite cheap to buy as well. You can pick them up for about £10–15 and it'll be in your garden for years. It also works pretty well as a trimmed hedge too. So Forsythia, spring colour at the beginning of the year and a really good dense plant to grow in the borders or use as a hedge. For more great information, visit my website, daviddomoney.com.